Oh boy, how about cleaning a roller?
A roller. Yeah, you're definitely it's gonna take some time getting that clean. After you're done, same thing. After you're done rolling with it and the job's done, again, washing it out, good warm water or just your hose water. And
before you get to that, is it worth finding a sacrificial surface to try and get all the paint off, even if it's like masking paper or whatever, to roll as much of that paint off of it before?
Yeah,
you go
if
to
you've
the
got an old box maybe sitting in the garage, you can roll as much off as you can. Plastic, again, roll it on the floor if you're done in that room, or anything other than the wall. You're not going to roll it out on the wall, but try to get off as much of that as possible, and then right back to giving it a good wash.
Rosie on the house every Arizona